didn't know how to record this piece of video. Unfortunately, the camper project is over. The city, the landlord, they got together. They pulled out big guns this time. They've complained a number of times. I've always fought them back. This time, they complained over city bylaw that the camper build is interfering with the enjoyment of others in the neighborhood, which, I don't know, something about their peace of mind is being disturbed. Now, Ottawa is the city that fun forgot. Okay, you can't do anything without somebody having some sort of complaint. So the camper's gone. It's not here. And, you'll see I recorded a few days ago, and you'll see it being taken away. I did happen to sell it, so it wasn't gone for nothing. And all the parts and pieces, people have taken. Things I got for free, people have taken away for free. Things that I did buy, people have been buying. So we'll see what the next thing holds for us. Okay, there's always a complaint here. I'm sweating because it's hot today. There's always a complaint today that I hear for some reason or other, and I always seem to find a way to annoy either the neighbors or the landlord. And today is no different. I think you only went up a foot. This is it. And sorry, Sarah. It's going. Would have been a nice project. She's rolling. She goes. The blue moose is gone. Project is over. Today is recycle e-waste day. Okay, my van over there, it's chock full of monitors. I'm just sorting all this stuff out. A lot of companies are coming back because of COVID, and they're buying all new equipment and such. So since I recycle e-waste, I don't charge them. They call me up, I take it away. I can sell what I want, recycle what I want by the pound, and pretty much do it. But again, I'm sure I'll get a complaint. Somebody doesn't like the look of this in the driveway, and they'll have something to say about it. So I guess I'm going to get on it and sort it and take it in, cash it in. And so who knows what my next project will be. I'll try and still post videos. Might change the name of the channel though, because the Blue Moose Camper is just not here anymore. So we'll see what I got coming up next, and I'll keep you informed. Maybe just some fun life stuff until I get a new idea, new project, and a new way to piss off that landlord in the city. All right, subscribe anyway, okay? Don't forget, who knows what's gonna happen, okay? And we'll see you in the next one. Jazz is not here, but we have no catchphrase. And we still have no money. So, okay, bye.